Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 15, 2022. Indian equity markets opened on a slightly positive note with Nifty opening around 18,050. Due to weekend expiry today, market was highly volatile. Nifty made a high of 18,093 today. Afterwards, markets saw profit booking. Nifty gave a close at 17,877, down 126 points from its previous close. SENSEX was down 413 points with a change of 0.68% at 59,934.01 points. Due to expiry, there was a high volatility in the market. After coming near to 18,100 levels, Nifty faced a stiff hurdle and then slipped below 18,000. After that, it made a low of 17,861. Now, three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Maruti, Eicher Motors, and ADANI Ports. Out of these, two are from auto sector. Auto sector stocks were highly bullish today. These three stocks rose between 2.08% to 2.77% today. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, and Infosys. They fell within the range of 2.94% to 3.87%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have ADANI WILMAR Limited, the kitchen essentials firm owned by Gautam Adani, is scouting for local and overseas acquisition targets as Asia's richest man doubles down on boosting his empire's food operations weeks after Reliance Industries Limited announced plans to launch a consumer goods business. Conglomerates such as Adani Group and billionaire Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries are trying to grab a share of India's food production industry, which is pegged at $400 billion. The country's largest lender, State Bank of India, raised the benchmark prime lending rate by 70 basis points to 13.45%. The announcement would make loan repayment linked to BPLR costlier. The current BPLR rate is 12.75%. It was revised last in June. Vedanta Resources, which has the single largest investment of 80,000 rupees crore in Odisha, on Wednesday said it plans to pump in another 25,000 rupees crore for expansion of its aluminium, ferrochrome, and mining businesses in the state. With this quantum of investment, it is contributing nearly 4% to Odisha's state GDP through its operations, direct and indirect. Tata Consultancy Services on Thursday announced the launch of TCS Mobility Cloud Suite, offering a curated collection of cloud-based solutions and multi-industry business know-how for automakers and suppliers expanding their mobility ecosystems. The suite includes ready-to-deploy, automotive-specific and industry and cloud-agnostic solutions, digital frameworks, custom solutions, accelerators, and use cases. NTPC Limited is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 174.85 rupees, up 1.45% around 2 p.m. on the NSE. NTPC Limited has gained around 10.14% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 186.05 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 177.52 lakh shares in last 1 month. Shares of Max Healthcare Institute have risen 16.78% in 5 sessions. The stock had outperformed the market over the past 1 month, rising 21.67% compared with 0.88% rise in the SENSEX. The scrip had also outperformed the market in past 1 year, climbing 11.69% as against SENSEX's 2.15% rise.